You are watching 1 minute video. In this video, we are going to see two opposite idioms to use in our day-to-day life. First one, eat like a bird. Person who eats in small amount, we can use this idiom for that person. Example sentence, if you want to lose your weight, you can eat like a bird. My girlfriend always eat like a bird in order to look slim. Second one, eat like a horse. This is opposite to eat like a bird. Who eats voraciously, we can indicate that person with the idiom eat like a horse. Example sentence, if you want to gain weight, you can eat like a horse. I eat like a horse after my workout. If you like this video, hit the thumb and share with your friends. It will be useful for them. Stay tuned with our 1 minute video. Thank you.